When you open your badging kit, you'll have the following items: a printer, a laptop, a webcam, printer power cables, badging supplies, and printer ribbon. Take the USB printer cable and plug the USB end into the laptop. The square end goes into the back of the printer. Next, plug in the power cable. You'll also need to plug in the power source so that you can plug it into your power strip. Next, plug the webcam into the USB slot. Open the laptop and set the camera on top or in the best position for you to take pictures for badging. On the left-hand side of the laptop is where you're going to plug in the power cable. Once everything is set up, you are going to add cards and ribbon to the printer. To add the ribbon, press down on the top button. This will open the lid. Take the ribbon out of the box. When you place the ribbon in the printer, it should drop in easily. If it doesn't fit, turn it around and then close the lid. To add cards to the printer, open the top portion. You'll want to make sure that the dial is in the middle. Your cards are CR80 cards. Before putting the cards in the printer, go through the cards and separate them. This takes the static off and allows the printer to be able to pick up one card at a time. If for some reason your printer is feeding two cards into the printer when it's printing badges, separate your cards again and then put them back into the printer. Make sure that you only take out the amount of cards that you will need. The cards attract dust and the dust can be fed into the printer. To set up the Cradlepoint, you will need the following items: 4 antennas, the black square box, and a power cable. On the side of the Cradlepoint that has the Ethernet ports, you will have 2 screws where you place the antenna. Under those screws are the labels 2.4. Take the circle antennas and connect them. On the other side, you will have a square and a circle symbol under the screws. Attach the long flat antennas. You'll want to point the antennas up to help them receive signal. Plug in the power cable and turn on the Cradlepoint. The Cradlepoint will turn on and all the lights will light up. It sometimes takes a minute or two for the Cradlepoint to turn on and receive the signal. Once your Cradlepoint is on, all of the lights will be solid blue. The signal strength is the last icon. This will tell you the amount of cell service that you have. When the Cradlepoint is on, the laptop and the scanners will automatically connect. This image represents what each symbol on the Cradlepoint means. You have your power on and off switch, your power light, your Wi-Fi light, your modem, which is the connectivity to the cell service, and your signal strength. The internet service that Blue Summit provides through a Cradlepoint or another device is for the strict use of the badging system only. Any usage over and above this will be billed back to the client at $30 per megabyte used.